Keeping track of keys for heavy machinery can be a real hassle sometimes, but this key set has made it so much more simpler for me. It's made of high quality materials. All right, it's durable. It's built to fit a wide range of the mainstream key brands. It's lighter, plus it's a lot more slip resistant than some of the other keychains that I've had. Each set comes with multiple key rings for really easy organization. Plus, they have the replacements to so many equipment keys. And the QR code on the bag actually has a reference for each key. All you have to do is scan it, and it quickly pulls up a digital manual. Let me show you how it works.